Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to make Valorant use GPU instead of CPU. So guys, first thing that you will do is go to your desktop, and then over here on your desktop, just right click on it and go for display settings. And then guys, if you cannot see display settings on your desktop when you right click on it, you can just go to the start menu and search for display settings. And then from here, guys, once you are on the display settings, you can just scroll down and go for graphics. And then over here, guys, on the graphics, you will have here all of your application that you have. And as of now, I don't have Valorant, but let's say this is a Valorant application. You can just go click on it, guys, and go for options. And then from here on the options, make sure you toggle it on the high performance. And there you go, guys. That's how you use GPU on Valorant instead of CPU. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya!